Alright, let's do a quick walkthrough on how to remove and reinstall apps on an LG Smart TV. The model I'm using here is an OLED from a couple of years back, but the process should be pretty much the same on most LG TVs running the newer software. First, head down to the apps bar on your screen. Scroll across until you land on the app you want to get rid of. In my case, I'll pick an app I never really use. Let's go with Fubo. Now grab your remote. Whether you've got the Magic Remote or another version, just press and hold the center select button while hovering over that app. You'll see an Edit Apps option pop up, and at the top, a little trash can icon should appear. From there, simply scroll up to highlight the trash can, press OK, and confirm that you want to delete the app. And just like that, it's gone. Quick and painless. If you ever remove something by mistake, don't worry. It's easy to bring it back. All you need to do is open the LG Content Store. Once inside, go up to the search bar at the top. Type in the app you want to reinstall. Let's use Fubo again as the example. When it shows up, just hit Install. After it downloads, head back to your home screen, scroll over to the end of your apps list, and you'll see it sitting there, ready to use again. So that's how you can delete and reinstall apps on your LG TV. Super straightforward. Hopefully that cleared things up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.